Good handwriting reinforces our reading and language processing skills. Writing by hand allows time to slow down the thought process. It enables you to think about the alphabets and words. Letter learning and handwriting improvement. Slate is simple and the best educational tool available with Plan My Study. If kids start using Plan My Study slates at appropriate age and time, it will help them in learning alphabets, numbers and their strokes correctly, and there is no separate need of improving handwriting as this tool works on the principle of do it right first time. However, one can start using these slates at any age to improve upon handwriting. Plan My Study slates enable kids to learn alphabets and numbers in different languages such as English, cursive, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, Gujarati, Gurmukhi, Bengali, Sindhi, Urdu and more. Kids can also practice only numbers with number slates having digits from 00 to 99. These slates are available in two sizes, bigger being equal to A4 size paper approximately and smaller is half in size. These slates are made of good plastic material and alphabets are engraved on it. One can use any pen, pencil or sketch pen for practice. You need to place the pencil in the groove and trace the complete alphabet. For faster results, it is advised to practice one alphabet 5 times in a row before switching to the next. Continued practice for 3 to 4 weeks in a row helped the child to learn quickly. It also shows the remarkable improvement in handwriting skill and progress can be tracked weekly. Other characteristic of handwriting that needs to be emphasized with kids are word and letter spacing, size consistency, pen lifts and pressure, line quality and connecting strokes. Plan My Study slates are very easy to clean. Just hold below the tap water and wipe with the cloth. These are also environmental friendly as it greatly reduces the use of paper. If child does not show much interest, it is suggested not to force him. Instead, keep these slates at nearby handy place, say nearby TV or tea table, and parents are advised to use in presence of their kid. They will start following you automatically. It is said that individual's handwriting is a reflection of his personality. So do take advantage of these simple Plan My Study handwriting slates to inculcate better personality traits. All the best and happy letter learning and handwriting skills. Thank you.